ASL fingerspelling secrets I wish I'd been taught. Look at the face, not the hand. Shh. While you would think that the most logical course of action would be to intently watch someone's hand so that you can catch each letter being fingerspelled, it's actually all about the shape of the word. Technically, they're divided into categories of fist, up, down, side, and moving letters. By catching the shape of the letter, you can fill in any gaps. The face is also the most important because the conversation is going to keep going and the fingerspelling is not the single most important thing going on. ASL uses facial grammar, so each non-manual, aka facial expression, is an essential part of what is being signed, and you'll miss it if you're looking at someone's hand. Instead, look at the person's face and use your peripheral vision to see what they're signing. The more that you practice this, the wider your peripheral vision will become, so give yourself some time. I'm divulging all of the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.